Good morning. Is it a good morning though? No, I don't think it is. Absolutely pouring down. I won't be going very far today, I'm afraid. Going to use a bit of the old backup content I keep going on about. Might as well use it up, so I filmed it. Hopefully I'll get out later on to Lidls. Might do, might not. But anyway, updates as they happen. Yep, lights for a couple of days now apparently. Never mind, got out nearly every other day this year. So if I just get to Lidls, be alright. There's my conker trees, those sticks, out in the back garden. Still, they like that sort of weather, don't they? They won't mind. Well, it's about an hour later now, and it hasn't stopped. Well, I'm venturing out, catch you down at the station where it's drier. Yeah, it's definitely not a walking day today. As I'm down here, I'll stick my head in the station. Might as well, rude not to, etc, etc. All very quiet. All the lights are on. It's so dark in here. Next train due. Oh, international rail strike again. Cancelled. Yeah, there's another train due for another nearly half an hour. So obviously not going to stand around and wait for one train. Yeah, miserable day. But I've been lucky so far this year, haven't I? I've managed to get out near enough every day anyway, but this is just one where I think I'm going to have to admit defeat. Despite being out at the moment and talking to you. As you probably see from the photo of the weather forecast, we're 26-mile-an-hour winds and just solid rain, ice and snow warnings all day. So that's okay, we'll live. I'll speak to you again when I've been to Lidls and I've got back down to here where it's dry. Wish me luck. Well, I made it to Lidls. As you can see, it's still peeing down today, to put it politely. So I've got myself my bread, my crumpets and my milk. Still raining though. Well, I made it back safely to the shelter of the station. And this is going to be a very short video today, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edit in what I called a mini walk backup content, where I went out in the afternoon for only 2 minutes of worth of footage and I just went along the sea wall. I believe it was taken on the 29th of last month, if my memory serves me correctly. So, have a look at that. Cheers. Mini walk, possibly. See what I see, if it's worth uploading or not. Well, there we go. That was just a really quick walk. Not worthy of its own video, but I'll put it in my extra content folder for a rainy day. So this was what Teignmouth was like on the 29th of November at about 3 o'clock. And there's a train. What a way to finish off. Cheers. Well, there we go. Hope you enjoyed that. Slightly better weather. And with that, call it a day. Can't get out every day. Can't have a nice day every day. It is what it is, and it's supposed to be like this tomorrow as well. But with that said, puddles everywhere, water running down the roads and rivers. I'm off inside to get warm, have a nice cup of tea. See you tomorrow. Cheers.